Yo, what's poppin' everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna talk about the Apple Watch Ultra 2 bands only. Alright, so recently I just received a package. I'm gonna open this. I'm super excited, gonna be good. Alright, got the knife. There we go. Smooth. Here you go. Is A bands. It's different colors. Also, it's different styles as well. I'll give you my reviews about these bands. Ooh. This is all the bands from the package. So I got 4 type. I got the 12 loop. And then I have the Alpine loop. This is the Ocean band. This, I got no idea, but it looked nice. We will do a quick review on this band as well. Alright guys, so first let's talk about the trial loops. I actually had the chance to try these loops at the Apple Store. Actually this color. The real trial loops is very light, very thin, but very stretchy. Right? This part, I'm not sure if this is the real titanium. Materials wise, I like it. I like the colors, the design, not bad. I would use this. This is my favorite band's color. So it's more like a dark grays, but also at the end you see have a hint of orange right here, like bright orange. So it kind of make your band pop. I really like it. Let's try it on. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try it on for you guys. On the side, this is the other side. The fitment is not bad. It's not that flushed. You can see a little moving part, but it's fine. Okay, so let's try it on. Yeah. Okay. How's it look, guys? You guys like it? I think I like it. Very nice. It's holding very good. I will also show you guys how to take up the band. It's simple. You just have to press on this button right here. So you press this down and you release. Simple, right? Super simple. Same thing on the other side. Alright. Let's try on this band. In. Other side. All right. Let's see how's it look. Oh, I actually like the color. I like this though. Kind of gray with the hint of a bright orange. Very nice. Love it. Alright guys, so this is the Alpine loops. I got these from Amazon. And this one I got from the Apple Store. The one from Amazon is a little longer than the one in the Apple Store. And material wise, this is very slightly lighter than this. And another point, if you look at the metal part, it will have the M's inside a circle. And the dupe one, the one from Amazon, doesn't have it. Also another, if you noted the metal, the one from Apple Store is a little thicker and the finish is smooth, very smooth. The one from Amazon is a little thinner and it's not that smooth. That is how you recognize which one is the real one. I'm gonna try it on. I got the bright orange. Okay, right here. Okay. yeah, it feels fine. This is how it look like. Let me know if I should rock with this. I mean, it's too bright, so I'm just kidding. This is not my favorite. Alright. Alright, so for the last four bands, this is the ocean bands, which is for swimming or diving sport band. So it's water resistant. So we tried it on. I always want to have ones. So if I go to the, the pool and stuff, so I will change to this. These are made by rubber, alright? Rubber, very light though, I like it. So let's try it on. Then we're gonna do this, I guess. Okay. Alright, so good. Okay, next is put it on. Okay, so this is how it look like. A little stretchy rubbers, of course. Feel good. I guess when you're swimming, these are good one. But the finishing product is not. So if you look closely, the quality that this band cut, the cut is not smooth. For daily, this is not for me. So yeah. Take them off. I'm gonna try a different color. Here's a white color. I'm gonna try it on for you guys to see, just in case if any of you guys want to get a white color. So, all right, this is how it look like. That. Yeah, so if you want a white color, to be honest, I'm not gonna wear this on my daily, but if you do like wet, like water activity, this could be the best for you. We're gonna talk about these bands. These are made from very stretchy fabric compared to the trial loop. You can see it's thicker. This one is thinner. It looks to me a little skinnier. I guess it's for people that have small wrist. So let's try it on for you guys to see. All right. All right. Oop, wrong pass. Go, whatever. Ooh, okay, it doesn't matter here. This is how it look like. Yeah, it looks definitely for people that have small wrist. Stretchy though, see? Very nice. But I think this is not for me, alright? Alright guys. This is the same type material but in different colors. It's like a beige color to me. So again, it's very thin and stretchy. So let me know if you would like to wear those colors. This is black. This is beige colors. I think, to be honest, people have a small wrist. These bands are perfect. All right, guys. So out of all the bands, this one is my favorite one. Put in the comments below which one is yours favorite colors. Overall, I would recommend these for people that want to change their band daily. I got all of these for the price of like less than $30 on Amazon. Quality is kind of close, almost like close to the Apple one. Again, so you pay like $100 for just one bands, and all of these A bands is like $28-$30. Plus you got change your bands every day. If that's something you would do, go ahead. I would say yes. Alright guys, so if you guys interested in the products, I'll put the links on the description for you guys. And if you guys enjoy the videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Alright, until next video, Cake signing out. See us! Alright guys, so this
Trời ơi, có cười luôn á.
so out of these oars, this one is actually my favorite one. Love the colors, you know, what's the little hinge color.